Okay, we've been asked to complete parts A through D to determine the measure of the angle formed by the hands of a clock when the time is 3:24. We're finding all measures in radians, and I'm just going to tell you right up front here, C and D are bonus, okay? So I'm not going to do those on the video. If you'd like to wrestle with those on your own, I'm going to let you do that on your own time. Find X, the angle formed at 3 o'clock, okay? So listen. I hope you can see, if this represents 0, from here to here is 90 degrees, okay? Now you know that from here all the way over to here, in radians, is considered pi radians, right? So if we're halfway, that is 1/2 pi radians, which we could also write as just pi over 2 radians, okay? Or we can just say pi over 2. We don't have to use the radians unit. I don't know if you've noticed that as you've been going along here, but radians, the unit for radians is usually just implied. It's not written, okay? Find, letter B, find x plus y plus z, the angle through which the minute hand moves in 24 minutes. Okay, so for this one, what I want you to recognize is that, well, let's think about it this way. The entire distance around the circle is 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians, okay? So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians, all right? So now I also want you to think about how much of the circle is 324. Well, it's 24 sixtieths. 24 sixtieths is 24 minutes. So find the angle. What they're asking us to find is this angle right here. What is that? Well, it's 24 sixtieths of the whole circle of 2 pi radians, okay? So that's just a matter of finding, and you can add the radians there, but that's not going to change anything because our final answer is going to be in radians anyway. So let's cancel this. We get 30. And so now we can cancel here as well. So we get, let's say take maybe 3 into this. So 3 into 24 is 8, 3 into 30 is 10. Ooh, I didn't get my least common denominator there, did it? Or least common multiple. So this gives me, half of that is 4, half of this is 5. So it looks like 4 pi over 5. So 4/5 pi radians. Okay, now the rest of it I'll let you fight with on your own if you like. It's reasonably intense.